Today, we invite you on an exciting adventure as we unveil the incredible journey of milk making. Starting from the dairy farm all the way to your breakfast table. Let's embark on this captivating exploration together. Our journey begins at a dairy farm, where the key players are the dairy cows. These cows are specially bred and raised for milk production. They receive proper care, nutrition, and a comfortable environment to ensure their well-being and optimum milk production. Twice a day, the cows are brought to the milking parlor. Here, the udders are cleaned and sanitized, and the milking process begins. Modern dairy farms often employ automated milking machines that are gentle and efficient. The milking machine is attached to the cow's udder, and it mimics the sucking action of a calf. It stimulates the cow's milk letdown reflex, and milk starts flowing through the machine's tubes. The milk is carefully collected into a sterile and sealed container, ensuring its quality and hygiene. Each cow's milk is kept separate during collection to maintain traceability and monitor individual cow health. Now that we have collected the milk, let's move on to the next step in our journey. The milk is transported from the farm to a processing facility. Specially designed trucks equipped with refrigeration systems maintain the milk's freshness and prevent spoilage during transportation. At the processing facility, the milk undergoes a series of steps to ensure its safety, quality, and longevity. The first step is pasteurization. The milk is heated to a specific temperature for a set period, effectively killing harmful bacteria while retaining its nutritional value. This process ensures that the milk is safe for consumption. Next, homogenization takes place. Milk naturally separates into cream and liquid components. Homogenization breaks down the fat globules, ensuring they remain evenly distributed throughout the milk. This prevents the cream from rising to the top. After pasteurization and homogenization, the milk is then packaged into various containers, such as bottles, cartons, or pouches based on consumer preferences. Now that the milk is packaged and ready, it's time to bring it to your table. The packaged milk is transported to grocery stores, supermarkets, and local markets, where it becomes available for purchase. And finally, you, the consumer, bring the milk home, where it becomes part of your daily life. Whether it's enjoyed with breakfast cereals, used in cooking, or enjoyed on its own, milk provides essential nutrients and is a staple in many households. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.